Hello, 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 hello. This is Costas, and to this video, I'm gonna show you once again this amazing platform that it's called Nextify AI. Okay, um, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna create one fast UGC video showcasing the service I provide with free spirits and the web services. Okay, you see, this amazing platform, it provides you with amazing avatars that they can really represent any kind of product or service that you want to offer to your customers. And let me show you, because you can even create any kind of video, anything that you can imagine, from avatars talking to each other, or explaining something to each other, and in fact representing your business. Okay, let's move on, and I will show you right away the platform over here, and I will go straight away. You see, we can use the reference here, the frame, the image, text, and I can just create with the prompt. I'm gonna go on with the UGC products video, because I have already,
This
you see, I have created some videos here, and I showed you to other videos how exactly I create them, and how exactly I use the platform. So I'm gonna show that once again, and I'm gonna create one video to showcase the Free Spirits web services. You see, I created
create
one
a 20 to
video
30.
over here with this lady. I really enjoyed, because it's very natural. It's what we want, a customer to say their opinion, or to tell us exactly what Free Spirits is providing. Okay, let me show you, in fact, what we're gonna do right away. First things first. As you can see, you can select first an avatar that is gonna represent your service. Okay, that is gonna be my service to this video, and I'm gonna select create my avatar. I can create one avatar as I want the avatar to be, as an influencer, or anything I want to create the avatar. On the other hand, I can select avatar library. You're gonna find an extremely big avatar collection over here, so that you can use for any purpose and any kind of video. As you can see, uh, there are any kind of many types of avatars, and all of them look totally natural, trust me, and they feel natural, and they speak natural. um, we can try to find a lady once again, or a man that it's gonna look, as a business woman or a businessman, that is satisfied, or wants to announce uh, that Free Spirits provides great services, and provides a free web service, is checking your website for free. And so if you want to to get a free consolation, just click the link, and move on to fspirits.com and contact me. Okay. So let me show you how I'm gonna do that. First of all, let's find the correct avatar. Let me just have a look around here. Okay, I believe I found it. Let's go on with Sophie over here. You see, we can just select Sophie, and I'm gonna select confirm use over here, and here I can upload Free Spirits logo, so that it's gonna be available, because you can even have the assets here. I'm gonna check to the assets, because I have already uploaded my logo. and I'm gonna click add. Okay, I have the promotional image, and that's the image of my logo. Over here, you can see that you can select the auto. It's what expressions and how the avatar is gonna use their hands or they're gonna behave. And as you can see here, they have the headwear, one hand grip, two hand hold. You see, there are many interesting. I'm gonna leave it to auto, and let's go on and just copy one small, a short script that I'm gonna just put over here. And as you can see, the script is gonna be: is your website slow, outdated, insecure, or simply not bringing you enough customers? Free Spirits can help. Get a free website health check and discover problems with speed, security, SEO, mobile performance, and more. No obligation, just useful insights about your website. Visit safespirit.com and request your free website check today. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it like that, and then I'm gonna generate the voice. As you can see here, I have the voice. Okay, if you select here, you're gonna see that you can select the voiceover, and you can decide um, the voiceover of your avatar. Let's try.
Imagine a world where people are kind.
You see,
I am so excited to tell you about my day.
it's good to have the excitement, and I really enjoy that.
Cherish the earth and its infinite beauty. Cherish the earth and its infinite beauty.
Okay, because we want to keep it in English, this video, as you can see, we can select here that they're gonna be excited, so it's gonna filter the excitement, and we can.
So, I love to talk about pretty much about anything and everything,
Interesting.
人と違う道を進む
Okay, here we have to filter even the language, and now it's much
Imagine
better.
a world where.
Okay, we have English, excited.
So, I love to.
I am so
When you want someone who tells it like it is, perfect for explainers. So,
in each question.
cherish the earth and its infinite beauty. Cherish the earth.
talk about pretty much about anything.
Hey, doll. I'm here to tell you a story.
I understand it's all new.
Hi there, I'm Callie. I'm friendly and sometimes a little sarcastic. Let's
Okay.
make something great together.
I believe Kali is okay. I'm gonna select this voice, and over here I can just click generate voice. Okay, I'm just generating the voice very fast. Okay, the next step it's gonna be just you see to move on here and click generate the video. As you can see, it's gonna consume just 9.5 credits. Okay, and that's gonna be a surprise for you. But this amazing platform has, a special offer. Um, all the new users gets 20 credits after registration. So just feel free, register your free account, and get just 20 credits to create two or even three amazing videos. Uh, you're gonna enjoy just creating very fast UGC videos about your service or your products. Okay, and after your first creation, you're gonna get even 20 more credits as a bonus. Okay, that's a special offer, and that's something that you don't want to miss. Okay, so let's generate the video right away so that you can see the result and the real scenario and how exactly it works. But in the meantime, I can just showcase another video that I created.
Want to know how my lead gen secret works? It's a simple system designed to help you get fresh email leads every day.
You see, it's so natural. Let's go over here to this.
All right, let's see where this trail takes us. No problem. All right, let's see where this trail takes. Good morning, team. This Elite Book is so light, it's perfect for my on-the-go lifestyle. I can run all my apps without any lag. It's a
You see, one is advertising a laptop and the other one is advertising a mobile. So,
All right, let's see where this trail takes us. No problem. This phone.
okay, that showcase the how this kind of mobiles are waterproof, and it really looks really amazing. Okay, let's give it a moment and just see the result from the last generation.
Create a 20 to
over
30
here you
second
see
vertical UGC ad.
this video that I tried to create with the Free Spirits logo. I just typed what I wanted to do, so I didn't just add my script. I didn't add what I wanted to the avatar to say for me. To this one that I'm generating right now, it's gonna look great and it's gonna generate exactly what I wanted as a script and showcase my service. Okay, so you see that you have amazing avatars. You have young people, older people, elderly people. You can select anything you want that it's gonna fit to exactly what you want to advertise. Okay, let's just see the result. Okay, and please, while while the platform is generating my video, remember the first registration, the free first registration that you make to the platform, and you complete your registration, you get 20 free credits. Okay, so that you can create at least 2 videos, or depending on how you're gonna work with it, because you can even create even 4 videos. Not exactly UGC, because to the UGC for sure you're gonna need you're gonna take it's gonna take you about 2 videos, and even if you create the first video, you're gonna get an extra 20 credits for free. Okay, as a bonus. Let's see the result right away.
Is your website slow, outdated, insecure, or simply not bringing you enough customers? Free Spirits can help. Get a free website health check and discover problems with speed, security, SEO, mobile performance, and more. No obligation, just useful insights about your website. Visit fspirits.com and request your free website check today.
I believe that was amazing. You see that it's so natural, so amazingly natural, and it's perfect lip syncing and showcasing exactly what we want to showcase. And you grab the attention very fast and you showcase your service or your product. Thank you very much for watching one more video about an amazing AI tool, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye bye.